Todd, Hasty EXP Realty, your Center Hill Lake Realtor. I hope you're having a great day. It's Friday afternoon while I'm making this video, and I'm at 461 SunnyPoint. It's a 9-acre unrestricted tract with obviously a big lake view. It does have a septic system in place. It's more like an RV septic system. It's in the Austin Bottom area of Center Hill Lake. It's pretty close to Cookeville Boat Dock Marina. There are 3 boat ramps, I think, at least 3 boat ramps down in this area. You're getting a shot of the road frontage. Look, I am still on the 9 acres, still on their property. So give me a call, guys, if you want more information on this property.